friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is pandemic, so people carry sanitizers, but sanitizers have alcohol. If we use the sanitizer regularly, our hands can get harmed, especially for babies because their skin is delicate. So I have made this paper soap which is carryable and very easy to use. But for this you need to carry water. Let me show how to make this. To make you need cotton, olive oil, a cup, 2 cardboard pieces, liquid soap, brush. I have mixed water and watercolor and I had put a little liquid soap and mix and leave it for some time. Now, and the main thing you need is an A4 sheet and now I had poured the oil inside the cup. Now I'm taking the cotton, dipping it, and now I'll apply on the sheet. I am using olive oil. You can even use baby oil or almond oil, but make sure you don't use hard oils because they can stick to your hand and you may need soap for washing them. Applying, the sheet starts to turn transparent. We are using oil because it keeps our skin moistured, and use baby oil and baby soap because it doesn't harm our skin because it is not acidic and it doesn't harm our skin. When you start applying, you can see that the paper starts to become weak and soft, and some places it will become transparent. You can even use almond or baby oil. I'm using almond oil. You can also use olive oil. After applying, I'm going to take the brush and the liquid which we made. To make this liquid, I added a little liquid soap and a little paint for it. And now I'm going to apply it on this. I'm making this because if you carry the normal soap and if you share with others, it might become sticky, and if you carry it, it might stick to your bag or to your hands. So I have made this paper soap. Now after applying, I will let it for drying. I had already made one which is dried. After drying, it looks a kind like this. Now I am going to fold it. Be careful because now the paper is weak and soft. And press hard. And now unfold. You might get lines. And now cut it. I have cut into small pieces and you can see how many papers it became using only one A4 sheet, and I have just used one pinch of liquid. You can make thousands of sheets with this small little liquid. Now I have taken this cardboard from my old notebooks which were waste. Now I'm going to keep these two like this and staple. Using the stapler. And now fold it. Both the sides. Now the book is ready. Now I have tore a sheet of paper. Now I'm going to put a little water on my hand and put the paper. And now rub my hands. And now if you start rubbing, you can see the soap is coming and you can easily wash your hands. And that's it. Your hands are clean. This is DIY paper soap. Thank you. Even you can decorate this book. Thanks for watching.